front door of a house I built recently. It's an Alder door, beautiful frame, glue up, about 2 3/8 inches thick. And then there's that center panel. I just put walnut plywood in there. It does get a ton of sun. And then I've been working on building a panel. So when you walk up, it just kind of is an accent to the house. Let me go show you the panel and where I am with it. So here's the panel here. Oak leaves at the bottom, kind of pines, mountains, a canyon, and then a steep river canyon with a mountain line at the top, and then oak leaves right there. So it's kind of like a favorite river canyon right here. My wife loves the mountain lions. And then it's also kind of rolls from one season, spring, summer to winter. So I'm getting close. I'm cutting it with the router, really small little router bit. I'm using a dremel a fair bit, triangular sander right there. And then I also the Festool orbital sander there. And here's my router. I don't know, it's less than a 16th or maybe a 16th bit. So I try and get these sharp lines on it wherever I can and then fade it back from there. So it's coming along. Certainly a work of love. It's probably more work than this in the whole house, building the whole house. So I'll do a little time lapse in here. Probably have to do time lapse at 100 to 1 because it's slow. Mostly just cleaning up these oak leaves with the dremel. So what's next? Wherever there's Sharpie or pencil, that still needs to go. Then a general cleanup. Then I'm going to cut it down. And then actually what I'm going to do is I am not going to put the panel on the outside. I'm going to put the panel facing in. So I'm going to keep that plywood facing out. And then I'm going to back it up with the panel facing in. So we'll see how that looks. All right, got it all installed. I put on the inside, built the frame around it. I turned the task light on first. It's actually a wooden CNC light that I made. Kind of like the light it casts onto that door. You can see how it came out. Turned some brighter lights on. A little bit less depth with the brighter lights, but that came out all right. Sealed up. I think that's gonna work. Actually kind of like it in the inside more. Kind of sit. This redwood bench. Got this redwood tree. So it's kind of right there. All right, there it is.